Nakwanda, are you still with me, Nakwanda?
Sir?
Are you still with me?
Yes, I am still with you, sir.
Great, great, right, Nakwanda? Nakwanda, so what language are we using to learn programming, Nakwanda?
We are using C++ language.
Excellent, excellent, well done. Give it a clap, right? The language you're using is C++ and not C, okay? The reason we're using C++ is because I'm the boss. I'm telling you I want to use C++, okay, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
Right, all right. Okay, that's not the actual reason. We just decided that C++ is a language that came after C. It's nice to use the language and it's a little bit easier for you. Nakwanda,
Yes,
can
sir.
you see number 3 over here, the student submission? What's wrong with this, Nakwanda?
The line writes his name and surname.
Yeah, what was he supposed to do, Nakwanda?
The line is supposed to write his or her number first, and then surname and initials.
Right, so that's wrong. Let's look at Injabulo. What's wrong with Injabulo in Mbeje?
The line writes his name and surname, and it is wrong.
And what they missed out there, Nakwanda?
Student numbers.
Yeah, right. Now, Nakwanda, didn't I tell you everybody has their unique student number, right? And that's how I'm going to identify you as a student. Okay? Number 5. What's wrong with number 5, Nakwanda?
The line just writes his name only.
Yes. Now, I don't know who's Kwanele. All I know is when I'm entering marks, I will enter it according to your student number. Okay? So, Nakwanda, I'm going to delete Njabulo and I'm going to delete Kwanele, right? Is that okay, Nakwanda? Nakwanda, can I delete them from the classroom? Can I remove them from the classroom?
I think, sir, they must change their names because it's easy to say.
Yeah, but because they haven't listened to me, Nakwanda, I'm going to delete them and they need to rejoin the classroom. What do you think, Nakwanda?
I think it is okay, sir.
Okay, thank you, Nakwanda. You agreed. You said that, right? So this is how I'm going to delete the students. I'm going to click on my students enrolled. And can you see this class? All the students, doesn't it look nice, Nakwanda, where you have the student surname, student number, the surname, and initial? Yes. Oh, look at this naughty student. Nakwanda, I'm going to delete him. I'm removing the student.
Yes, sir.
Right. Look at Intercozo. Look at Intercozo. Can you see what happens when he wants to write his name and surname? Then it becomes too much. See that?
Yes, I can see.
I don't want to see. And I'm going to remove that student, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Look at S. Nala. Nakwanda, what's wrong with S. Nala?
S. Nala swipe.
What's wrong with that?
She writes initials and name instead of number instead of.
Right. I'm deleting that. Let's look at this student. Can you see Nsuka? What's wrong with the student?
So that's my surname first, then that's the two surnames.
I don't want two surnames. Can you see? I got no space
no,
here. Can you see that?
It's one. It's Fomusuka. It's Congolese surname, sir.
Right. I don't want two. Can you see what happens? Can you put down just one surname, please?
No, it's one. It's one. I forgot to put the dash in between.
Right. Can you shorten it, please? What is CS?
That's my initials.
Right. Let me tell you what you need to do now, right? Can you see it's taking up extra space over here? I want it on one line, right? You click on your name. In my case, you click on, I'm clicking on my name. And then you'll click on edit, okay?
Okay.
And guess what? I've also got two names, right? I've also got two names. My name is very long as well. If I had to write my whole name, it would be too long. Okay?
Okay.
I want your student number. That's most important. I want your student number. All right?
Yeah.
Will you edit your name, please? And you make it on one line, please?
Okay.
You know why you're going to do that?
Yeah, I'm aware.
Why?
So it doesn't take up space.
Yeah, and because I'm the boss, because I said so. Okay?
Of course, sir.
Right. Puyo, are you here in Changasi? Nakwanda, what's wrong with Vuyo's submission?
Vuyo writes his name and surname only.
What was he supposed to write?
He's supposed to write his student number, name. Oh, subject
Yes. I'm
number.
going to remove him. Can I remove him, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
Puyo, are you here? Puyo, are you here? Puyo is being removed. Are you sure you want to delete? Yes. Let's look at another one. Let's see. What's wrong with this student, Nakwanda?
It's okay. Student number is right, but initials is wrong. It's supposed to be
Right, surname, right? I want a short surname and he's, but never mind, I won't remove him. Okay, Nakwanda?
yes, sir.
Will you tell him this?
Sir?
Nakwanda, will you tell him? Or should I post? You know what you do, Nakwanda? Let's take a photo and post it on the WhatsApp group. What do you think of that idea?
I think that's a very good idea, sir.
Yes, right. So let me go to my WhatsApp group. And Nakwanda, how many times did I say this, Nakwanda?
Sir?
How many times did I tell you all about this, Nakwanda?
I think 100 times, sir.
100 times, yes. And they're not listening to me, Nakwanda.
Yes.
Isn't that naughty of them, Nakwanda?
Sir?
Isn't that naughty, Nakwanda? Nakwanda, isn't that naughty, Nakwanda?
Yes, it is, sir.
Nakwanda, I'm gonna post this in the WhatsApp group. Will you write a comment and say what's wrong with that? What's wrong with this one here? 22420055, Nakwanda.
Oh, the student just writes I think it is his or her surname.
Yes, surname, and not the other way around, right? I'm deleting that. Is that student here? No. Nakwanda, what's wrong with this student, Nakwanda? Nakwanda,
Sir?
Ndomiso, what's wrong with the student, Nakwanda?
The mister writes his name and surname.
What did he miss out, Nakwanda?
The mister supposed to write student number, surname, and the initials.
Right. Will you tell him that, Nakwanda? I'm going to delete him. I'm removing from the class.
Yes, sir.
What's wrong with this student, Nakwanda? I'm sounding like a broken record, Nakwanda.
Student just writes his name and surname.
What did he forget, Nakwanda?
He forgot to write his student number, surname,
Is
and
that
initials.
student here? Tabete.
No.
Is that student here? Yes or no? I'm removing the student from my class, Nakwanda. Because they're not listening and paying attention. They're not following instructions. Nakwanda, what's wrong with this student, Nakwanda Njabulo?
Student just writes his name and surname.
What's missing, Nakwanda?
Then I supposed to write his student number.
What should I do, Nakwanda?
You're supposed to delete it, sir.
Yeah, you said, right? Nakwanda, what's wrong with this student, Nakwanda?
The student starts with his name and surname.
What must I do with him, Nakwanda?
Yes.
Nakwanda, what must I do with him, Nakwanda?
I think you should delete him, sir.
Right, you said it, Nakwanda. Nakwanda, what's wrong with this student, Nakwanda?
Can I start with? Oh, but it's a small mistake, sir.
Small mistake, okay. Will you tell that student to change it, Nakwanda?
Yes, I will.
What's wrong with this student, Nakwanda?
Talina
Lele.
just on.
Nakwanda, what's wrong with that student, Nakwanda?
She just write his name only.
What's missing, Nakwanda?
She's supposed to write the student number, surname, and initials.
What should I do with him, Nakwanda?
You should delete him, sir.
Okay, you said it, right?
Oh.
And you see how many are not paying attention, Nakwanda? They don't listen to my instructions, Nakwanda.
Yes, I can see, sir.
You can see how a tough job I got, Nakwanda.
Yes, sir.
What's wrong with this student, Nakwanda?
The student just writes his name only.
What was he supposed to write, Nakwanda?
The line is supposed to write student number.
What should I do with him, Nakwanda?
You should delete him, sir.
You said it, Nakwanda. Nakwanda, what's wrong with Lisa, Nakwanda?
Okay, it is just the name only. The student just
What
writes
are
his.
they supposed to have, Nakwanda?
The line is supposed to write student number, surname, and initials.
What must I do with them, Nakwanda?
You must delete Lisa, sir.
You said it, Nakwanda. Let's see. I hope there's nobody else, Nakwanda. Oh, Nakwanda. Nakwanda, what's wrong with Z2, Nakwanda?
The student just wrote his name only.
What was he supposed to write, Nakwanda?
He was supposed to write his student number, surname, and initials.
What should I do with him, Nakwanda?
You must delete it, sir.
It's gone. I hope everything is done. Let's see. I hope everything is right now. Let's see if there's any more naughty students. Yo, Nakwanda, what's wrong with this student, Nakwanda?
I think you must delete him. You must
Why,
delete his
Nakwanda?
because his spelling right is on his name and surname instead of writing his.
Yeah, is that student here, Nakwanda? Maybe we can edit it for him.
Yes, sir.
He's not here. I'm going to remove him. You are at university now, my students. You have to pay attention to what my instructions are. Hey, I think we're all done. All done. Yay! Well done. Well done. Nakwanda, look at my other class, Nakwanda.
Yes,
I
sir.
sorted all of it out, Nakwanda. Look at that, Nakwanda.
Oh,
Look at that, how nice it is, Nakwanda. Oh, no! Sabela. Oh, no, they don't listen to me. But most of them are very right. There's another one, naughty one, blues. They don't listen, Nakwanda. Right. Now, do any of you have a question? Let's mark this one here, right? Hello, my name is. Let's go for pending for evaluation. Makatini, you're supposed to put it the other way around. Right, let's do this one here. Candidate, my name is, let me run the program. Hello, my name is, well done. Well done to the students. Let's run the program. Koshwa, Yandisa, well done. Let's mark this one. Hello, my name is Sankelo, are you here? Well done.
Yes,
Lamini
I'm here.
KN, are you here? Panele,
Yes, I'm here, sir.
you here? Let me run the program. Oh no! KN Lamini, what's wrong with this program? Nakwanda, what's wrong with this program? Nakwanda,
Sir,
what's wrong with the program?
I think it's supposed to be 0. I think the learner writes roots O instead of 0.
Yes, right, well done. What kind of error is this, Nakwanda? Do you know?
No, sir.
It's called a syntax error, SYNTAX. Nakwanda, can you write it down in the chat? What is a syntax error?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this student got it wrong, so I'm going to reject this work. Lamini KN, I'm rejecting your work. You got to redo it. Okay? Nakwanda, what's wrong with this work, Nakwanda? Njabulo.
The learner writes, oh, student, non-jabulo right.
What did he write? What's missing?
Name and surname. Instead of writing his student number.
Yes. I want your student number. Let's see if it works, but right? Let's run this program. Well done, it works. But guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to reject it. Okay, now, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
Can I reject it because they're not following instructions? Nakwanda,
Yes, sir.
can I reject it?
Yes, you can, sir.
Okay, you said it, right? I'm rejecting it. Let's go back to the classroom now, right? Let's have a look at the second submission. The second submission was Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Bat. Right, let's go and see whether it's working. Twinkle, twinkle, little bat. Let me run the program. Twinkle, twinkle, little bat. Ooh, this is well done, well done. Who is this? Oh, Nakwanda. See, I don't know who this is. You know why, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
What's missing in line number 1 and line number 2, Nakwanda?
Oh, there is no int main.
Oh, no, it's got it in line number 13, Nakwanda.
Oh, yes.
Now, this is called a function. This student is a bit clever. He knows what a function is.
Yes, sir.
Somebody forgot to put down his student number on the top there, right? I'm going to teach you how to do a function. Well done to the student. Makatini, are you here? Are you bunking my class? You bunking my lecture. Naughty student. Let's look at this student. Let's run this thing. Nakwanda? Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
Was it Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star or Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Bat?
You. It's such a small mistake, sir.
No, no, no. It's a mistake, Nakwanda.
Yes, it is, sir.
Nakwanda, what was he supposed to write, Nakwanda?
She's supposed to write twinkle, twinkle, little bit.
Yeah. And didn't I sing that song for you, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
Didn't I sing it, Nakwanda?
Sir?
Didn't I sing the song for you? You want me to sing the song again for you, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
Right, let's see if I said Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star or if I said Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Bat. All right? Nakwanda,
Yes, sir.
did I say Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star or Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Bat?
Twinkle, twinkle, little bit, sir.
Let me see if I said that, right? Because maybe I made a mistake.
No, we did not make mistakes.
Let me see. Nakwanda. I said twinkle, twinkle, little bat.
Yes.
Let me play the song for you. Nakwanda, tell me if you can hear. Oh no, YouTube is not working. Oh no, it's working. Nakwanda, did you hear that, Nakwanda?
No, I cannot hear, sir.
Oh man, I'm sorry, Nakwanda. Let me play it again for you. I'm gonna stop share. I'm gonna share it again. And where's the sound here, right? Nakwanda, let me play it again for you, Nakwanda.
Yes, sir. Still, sir, I cannot hear.
You can't hear. Oh no, Nakwanda. Wait, let me try it again. Stop sharing. Let me share. Do the sound. All right, Nakwanda.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna play it again for you. Twinkle, twinkle, little bat, how I wonder what you're at. Up above the world you fly, like a tea tray in the sky. That's exercise 1.2. You shall do that on online GDB. It is due on Monday. Nakwanda, did you hear the song, Nakwanda?
Yes, I did, sir.
What did I sing, Nakwanda? Did I say little star or little bat?
You sing like it, sir.
Now, if you are a computer programmer, you must answer what the customer says. The customer never said twinkle, twinkle, little star, Nakwanda. The customer never said that. So what should I do with this work, Nakwanda? Should I accept it or should I reject it?
You should reject it.
Okay, you said it. I'm rejecting it. Because they never listened to my song. Let's look at Magubani. Magubani, what's wrong with this one, Nakwanda?
Okay, the student did not write the poem as it is.
Yes. Why, Nakwanda? Why did Magubani not write the whole poem? Is he here today? Nakwanda, what should I do with this, Nakwanda?
You must reject Makubani's work.
Right. You said it. I'm rejecting it. Now, do you understand why I reject your work, everybody? SM Shange. Let me see what SM Shange did. Oh, what's wrong with this one?
There is a missing line, sir.
Yes, he's missing a line. Twinkle, twinkle, little bat, how I wonder what you had. Nakwanda, what should I do with this one, Nakwanda?
You must reject Shange's.
Yes. I think, Nakwanda, you're going to help me mark all this work now that you know how I reject it.
Yes.
Let's see what Nkobo did. Is this all okay, Nakwanda?
Yes, it is okay.
Right, let's mark it as done. Let's go to the next one. Is this okay, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let's look at the next one. Yes, this is okay. I think the others are okay, Nakwanda. Oh no! What happened to this one? Njibulo. What's wrong with Njibulo?
Tabula writes his name and surname, sir.
He missing his student number.
Yes.
Let's go to this next example. Program to display 4 times 5. Let's go to Makatini's work. Let's run this work, right? B. Makatini. 4 times 5. What's the answer for 4 times 5, Nakwanda?
27.
All right, let me run the program.
The answer would be 4 times 5.
Oh, Nakwanda, is this correct, Nakwanda?
No, it is not correct, sir.
What should I do, Nakwanda?
You should reject.
I am
Makatini.
rejecting the work. Nakwanda, is this correct, Nakwanda?
Yes, it is correct, sir.
Yes, it is, right? Let's next one, in Kobo. Hey, no, look at this one, Nakwanda. This student wrote down in line number 5, int result equals 5 times 4. C out 5 times 4, and he stored it in a variable. This is a clever student. And Kobo, are you here? And Kobo in, are you here? And Kobo in, are you here? And Kobo in, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Did you do programming before?
Yes.
That's why you know about variables. You're very clever.
Thank you, sir.
Well done. Are you going to get a distinction for me?
I hope so.
Are you going to help the other students with variables?
Yes, sir.
You promise?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, thank you. Well done. Okay, so anybody wants to learn about variables and how she did it, please speak to this student and Kobo in. Right, well done. Magubani W, are you here? Magubani. Nakwanda, is this right, Nakwanda?
Yes, it is correct, sir.
Well done, right? But you must speak to student Kobo to see if they can make it use variables, right?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
look at this one. Is this right, Nakwanda?
Yes.
Yay, well done, nicely. The product of 5 times 4 is, and they wrote 5 times 4. Very good, very good, very good. Is this okay, Nakwanda?
Yes, it is very good, sir.
Yay, lovely. Let's look at the next one. Let's run this program. Oh, it's right. But guess what they did, Nakwanda? Can you see how they wrote int on main on the top there, line number 6?
Yes, I can see it, sir.
They must write int main on another line, okay?
Yes.
Will you tell them, Nakwanda?
Yes, I will tell them, sir.
Okay, but it's done. It's okay. I'm going to leave this. I'm going to come back to this one. Let's go to the next exercise. Now, in the next exercise, which I gave you on Friday, it's called automatic testing, right? Let's go and see what this does. In automatic testing, I don't mark the work. The compiler marks the work, okay? Nakwanda?
Yes.
Okay, Nakwanda. Nakwanda, where are you?
Yes, I'm.
Can you see this? It says test result, 3 passed of 3. 3 passed of 3. Can you see that, Nakwanda?
Yes, I can see it, sir.
Right, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
Now, you know who does it now, not me. Who marks it, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
The compiler marks it, right? There's the compiler. Can you see that? The compiler, if you put an input of 2, the user output must be 4. If it's 4, if it's 3, the output is. Now, I don't mark it. It's the
Compile.
Compiler, right? It's the compiler. Did you all learn what the meaning of the word compiler is, Rakwanda?
Yes.
Right, the compiler. Compiler takes machine code, your source code, which is written in English, and it converts it into source
Binary.
code, right? Machine language. Now, Nakwanda, this is the beginning of a program. Every program will have input, processing, and output. Can you see the input part over here, Nakwanda?
Yes, I can see it, sir.
This is the input part where you have a C-in statement. Now, if you went to W3 schools and you learned about C-in, here's w3schools.com. Now, Kwanda, there's input statement over here. Somewhere over here, input, there's user input statement. So now, Kwanda, you must read all of this. You have already learned that cout is used to output or print values. Now we will use cin to get user input. Cin is a predefined variable that reads data from the keyboard with the extra, there's an extraction operator, right? There's the extraction operator. In the following example, the user can input a number which is stored in variable x. Then we print the value of x. Now you run that example in W3 schools. Here we go. It says type a number. Now, Kwanda, I want you to think of a number. I want you to think of any number, Nakwanda, between 12 and 14. Any integer number, Nakwanda. Anything. Nakwanda,
Yes, sir.
I want you to think of any number between 12 and 14, any integer number.
Any this number, sir?
Any number, any integer between 12 and 14. Let me see if you think of the same number as me.
12.
Nakwanda, I want any number that you can think of between 12 and 14. Any integer number. Nakwanda,
Yes, sir.
give me an integer between 12 and 14. What comes after 12?
13, sir.
Hey, Nakwanda, I was thinking of the same number. Okay, Nakwanda, that's what the cin does. It gets the user input from the keyboard. All right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to post this example on the chat. Oh, where's INPR? Oh man, what happened to INPR? Nakwanda, I'm gonna send it to you, right, Nakwanda? Nakwanda, can you post it for me, please, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Nakwanda. Thank you, Nakwanda, for having a full name. I don't know, some of the students don't write their full name. They write, I am a fish, I am a dog, or something like that. Nakwanda, did you see that one, Nakwanda?
Yes, I can see that. I always see that sign.
Who's a fish? I don't know why they write that. Then I don't know how to call them by their name. Maybe I must call them, I am a fish. Right. Nakwanda, please post to the WhatsApp group. Write a comment to explain. Right, Nakwanda, can you do that for me, please, Nakwanda?
Yes, I'll do that for you, sir.
Right, let's go back to W3 schools. So now we learned something. Zanda, are you here, Zanda? Zanda. Zanda. Zanda, are you there? Zanda, now you're not going to say greater than and less than sign. You're going to say insertion operator, extraction operator. Okay, Zanda? Zanda. Zanda is missing. Nakwanda, can you post another one for me, Nakwanda, please? Nakwanda,
Yes, sir.
will you post another one for me, please?
Yes, I will post it for you.
Thank you, Nakwanda. You're a star. All right. Okay, everybody. What's this thing called an insertion operator and what's called a extraction operator? Right? So we're going to do that one. All right. So if you are able to answer what is a C in or a C out, now you are learned input and now you learned output. Okay, everybody? Hey, I miss y'all. You know, I can't see you. I don't know whether you're listening to me or you're paying attention. Hey, Ngubani. Hey, you got a question for me? Ask me a question. Ask the question.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm ecstatic now that you joined me and you're asking me a question. I'm happy.
Yeah, sir. I had a problem with automatic
Oh,
test.
we all got problems, but it's nice if we can solve it. Please, can you only ask me a problem about C++, okay? I can't answer the question about the problem about DUT and why the students break the windows and all of that, right? Or I can't answer the question about load shedding, okay, student in Gubani?
Yeah, sir. It's about an assignment. The automatic
What about
test.
it? Go ahead, ask the question. Go ahead, ask the question. I'm listening.
I'm having a problem with the automatic testing assignment, sir.
What's the problem?
I don't know how to get the number doubled. I mean, I'm using the computer right now.
Okay, come, right, let me show you how to do that, right? So let's go to this automatic testing assignment, right? What's your student number?
25
25
11
11
77
77.
12.
Oh, it's not there. Now, if you're all write it correctly, then it becomes very easy to sort it, right? If you sort, can you see how it's easy to sort the numbers in student order? Nakwanda,
Yes.
Nakwanda,
Yes, I can see that,
can you
sir.
see that, Nakwanda, how easy it is to sort it? I can sort it in ascending order and descending order. Isn't that nice, Nakwanda?
Yes, it is nice.
Yeah. But you know, some people didn't do that, Nakwanda. They never listened to me, Nakwanda. You know who those people are, Nakwanda?
Yes, sir.
There's these people over here. They didn't listen to me. Isn't that naughty of them, Nakwanda?
Yes, it is, sir.
Right, student A in Gobani, go ahead with your question now. Where's your? I can't find your name there.
Yes, sir. It's because I'm doing it right now. I can't get the number to the doubles.
Oh man, I can only see it. Can you share your screen? Then I can share. Then I can see it on your computer. Student in Gobani. Student in Gobani. No, to share your screen, you got to click on the share button right on the top. Hey, I can see you got a nice color here. Is it looking orange? Student in Gobani. Student in Gobani.
You take a mic.
Hello. Yes, student S. Mia. Do you have a question for me?
Sir, my question is, I've submitted every one of my assignments, but to me, it doesn't show if they've been marked, so I don't know what my marks are. So if you could please just check for me
Sure,
if
I can do that for you. Give me your student number.
250368
Can you go a little bit slower, please? I'm a little bit older than you.
2503
2503
6848.
6848. Ah, there we go. It says 0 past of 3. I wonder why.
Yeah, I also wonder why. Maybe failed. Could you please share the screen, sir?
Right, let's run this program. Let's test this program. There's the test button over here.
Sir, I can't
Right.
see.
I beg your pardon?
I can't see you doing it, so
Oh, you can't see me. Sorry, I forgot to share my screen. Thank you, Mr. Student S. Right, let me share my screen. Now can you see it? Let me start again.
okay.
Let me run this. There we go. Automatic testing. Give me your student number, please.
2503
Slow.
2503 6848. The network. Sorry, sir.
Start again, please.
2503
2503
6848.
6848. Okay, oh, there it is.
Is it still 0 out of 3?
Yes. Now it says,
Why?
number. Let me run the program. Type in number 2. The answer is 4. That's correct. Right, let me see. Why didn't it do the test on its own? 0 of 3 tests fails. 2, the output type in any number. your output is 4.
Why am I failing then? Sir,
Okay,
glitching on my
let
side.
me replay this. Let's see what the student did. Okay, it seems to be going okay. All you have to do was put a 2 over there to double it. Right? That's
But I did
stop
do that,
this.
and the program seems to
Okay,
be
I'm trying to see what was wrong with it, all right?
okay, sir. Thank you.
Just have a little bit of patience there, please. It says compiling.
Yeah,
Can
I
you
can see.
see that student Esmia
Yes, sir. I can see.
taking a lot of time. By the way, this is an online compiler, so it's actually going to the server somewhere in the cloud. It's not using your own processing power on the laptop, all right?
Oh, okay. Okay. Thanks for the info.
Now, this is where I'll have to mark it by myself now, right? I have to overwrite this thing. Let me see the other students, why the other students worked. Let's see a student that got 3 out of 3 testing there. 3 out of 3. Let's see how come that works.
Okay, sir. I don't mind. I can wait. Patient.
There we go, 2, 4, 3. It worked. Run the program. 2. Oh, let me tell
Does
you
my
what you
do
did.
the same thing?
Let me tell you what you did, right, student Esmia? You went and added your own
Yes, sir.
statements over there, didn't you?
Sir?
Did you add your own statement?
Yes, sir. The one that's Ra add in your number.
Yeah, you should. You mustn't want to add your own things there, Esmia. Can you see where it says type in any?
Oh.
Wait, no, man, you didn't do that. Ah, man,
Yes, I said
Esmia. Let me see the others. What's so different as compared to this one versus the student that worked?
I wrote type in any number.
Why did you write that?
To make my I don't know, just because.
Yeah, you mustn't want to put your own things there, right?
Oh, so can I do it?
Okay.
So can I do it again, sir?
Because you must see, I'm not the one that's marking it. The compiler is marking it, right? The computer is marking it. If
Oh,
you
yes,
go
sir.
put anything else there, it's going to think it's wrong.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
All right. Because
could I please submit the project again then?
okay, you want to? I can reject it for you.
Wait, you have to reject it first.
Yes.
Okay. Will I get a chance to submit again, sir?
Yes. Now, can you see why I
Okay.
need y'all to put your MIA? See if I write MIA, MIYA. Can you see how easy I find your student number? Student MIA?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You understand now why I want y'all to have a student number or a surname?
Yes, sir.
Will you tell your students that?
I will tell my classmates that.
Right. You know what you did there? Can you see line number 6? Who asked you to put that there?
Nobody, sir. I just wanted to make it more clear to the user.
No. Follow instructions. Okay, student Esmia.
Sir.
Okay. Just follow instructions because guess what? I'm not marking it. The compiler is marking it.
Oh, yes, sir. Could you check my other projects, sir? Because they also seem to have trouble. I think it's still, they've been checked, but I don't think they've been marked.
You know what? Let me go and check it for you. Now watch this now, student Mia. Can you see if you wrote your number down correctly? See how easy it is to go find your name. You know why? I put it in numerical order. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
What's it? 250?
0,
There we
3.
go. There we go. I found you. So now do you understand why I want it to be like that?
Yes, sir.
Well done. Well done. Very good. Very good. But I think you gave me your work late. Isn't that so?
Sir?
You gave me your work late.
Sorry, sir. I didn't quite get that.
You submitted your work late.
No, sir. I submitted it on time, sir.
Okay, let me see. Let me check it out now. I like it. I like it when students tell me they submitted it on time. When was it due?
I think I submitted it on time.
No, I'm asking you, when was it due?
I don't remember, sir. It was a long time
But
ago.
you
I
said
don't
you
remember.
submitted it on time, didn't you?
Yeah, I think so.
No, I don't think so. Yes or no? There we go. Oh, you submitted it on the 11th of February.
It was due
So
on the
that can you
14th, if I'm not.
sorry?
Was it not due on the 14th?
Okay, well you submitted it on time, that's good. Yeah. It was due on the it was due on the 10th. It
On
was
the
due last
10th?
week. Yeah, 10th.
Okay,
And
that's
I
my
extended
fault.
the due date.
Okay, sir. So what is wrong? Why is it?
It was due on the
I don't
10th of
get
February. It
what's
was
wrong.
due on Monday, the 10th of February. Today is the 24th of Feb.
Okay, it was due on the 10th. I submitted on the 11th, but you extended the date,
Correct.
sir. So
Yes, so I extended the date. So
why was it not marked?
because it was due on the 10th.
Then you extended the date to the 14th, sir. But no
Yeah,
problem.
if I extend the date, I don't give you a mark when I extend it.
Oh, I had to resubmit.
Yeah.
Okay,
All
sir, I
right.
understand.
Right. Can you see this student submitted on the 10th? Number 6, student number 6. Can you see it was due on the 10th? In fact, the student is also late because I do it at 12 o'clock, 12 p.m.
Oh, yes. I can see that, sir.
Right. Now,
Thank you.
let me tell you why I do this, student Esmia. You are not in high school anymore. You are at a university of technology. When you go
Yes.
out in industry, you have to abide by due dates. You can't miss a date and then expect me to give you a full mark. I don't do that.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Right? And let me tell you what else it is. I want to teach y'all to respect due dates, number one. Number two, there are many students that haven't submitted. Esmia, can you see this? Can you see it? There are
Yes.
21 students that have not submitted.
Yes, sir, I can see that.
Can you see this? There are 28 students that haven't submitted the Twinkle Twinkle Little Bat assignment. Do you see that?
Yes, I can see
There are
that.
20 students that have not submitted the other one. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you think it's fair if I extend the due date and I give them full marks for those and the other students that submitted it on time?
I
Don't
don't
I have
think
to
so, sir.
penalize them something or the other?
I think you should, sir. It's
Yeah,
only fair.
right. So that's why I do not, if the students don't submit it on time, I don't give them full marks. In fact, sometimes I don't even mark it.
Okay,
All
sir.
right?
Could you please, yes, sir. Please,
Yes.
could you check my automatic testing again? Because I've resubmitted it, removing the text I added. I don't know if
When
it's
you did it
okay
now.
now.
You did it now.
Yes, yes,
Right.
I've submitted it. Could you please check it for me if it,
All right. There we go. Can you see a Esmia?
yes.
Can you see it says 3 passed of 3?
Yeah, I can see it, sir. So it means,
Are you happy? Are you happy?
yes, yes, I am happy, sir. Yes.
And can I tell you something else, Esmia?
Yes, sir, you could. You can.
You submitted it 11:03. You submitted it 1 minute ago.
Oh,
You
when
are
was it you?
just lucky. Guess what time is due, Esmia?
It's 11:05.
No, man, 12 o'clock.
Oh, it's due on 12.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at this student. Student number 79. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with the student?
He did not write his student number or his initials, or his or her initials.
Now, do you think I should accept a program like this?
Um,
Yes or no?
no, I don't
And can I
think
tell you
so.
something else? There's a compilation error. There's an error on the compiler. That means the student made a mistake in this text. Yes, Mia, can you see that?
Yes, I can see that, sir.
Right. Look at Lisa. What's wrong there?
She also wrote his name or her name only instead of her
Yeah.
initials and student number or his
Will you
initials.
find out who she is and will you sort her out for me, please?
Sure, so I'll check for her or him.
Right. Look at this. Can you see all these people? 81, 82, 80, 79. When I sort it in student number order, it doesn't get me the right order because they didn't put the student number first.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, it's 11:06. I'm going to call it a day. Lecture's over.
Yes.
Right. Because the students they have, let's say how long they got to do. They've got, what time is that assignment due? Automatic testing is due. What time is it due? It's due. Oh, hey, it's due tonight at 10:44 p.m. Oh, no. Hey, it's overdue. Yes, Mia, look at that. You were very lucky it accepted the program.
It's overdue. Yeah, I can see
it was
that,
due at
sir.
10:44.
On my classroom, it's not reflecting that I got a 3 out of 3, sir. So yeah, I don't think I was very lucky. It's only on your side.
No, man, it'll be on your side too. Just give it some time. Okay. All right.
Oh, okay, sir.
Right. Can you see it's due at 10:44 p.m. That was. Oh no, 10:44 p.m. is tonight. Hey, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna change the time and make it due 11:30. What you say, Esmia?
Make it 12, sir. Come on, please. Make it 12,
No.
please.
I'm the boss. Who's the boss? Me.
You are the boss, sir, and be a kind boss.
No. How long does it take you to do this thing, Esmia?
I think it's less than a minute, maybe two, if you know what you're doing.
Okay, okay. So why should I give you 20 minutes to do it with something that can take 2 minutes?
Sir, someone just woke up and found out they have an assignment, so maybe,
Yeah, right. Oh, is that my problem? They just woke up and found out that they got an assignment.
Yeah. So it's not your
Whose fault is
problem.
that?
It's their fault for not knowing, but you could be more generous and give them more time.
Nah, I'm not generous.
Ah,
I'm
come
even
on,
gonna put a
sir.
password there. What do you think about that?
Okay. You could do 11:30 with no password though, sir.
No, I decided to put a password now. Who's the boss?
You're the boss, sir. So yeah, you could do what you want.
Right, exactly. I can do what I want because I'm the boss. Right? Esmia, the
Yeah.
reason I've got to be hard on you and I want y'all to work every day with programming is that programming is not easy. If you don't
Yes,
work
sir.
at programming every day, you're not going to pass this course.
Yes, sir.
Right? That's why I am being so hard on y'all and I want y'all to work on these assignments. Okay.
Yes, sir. So
Is it for my benefit or your benefit, Mr. Student Esmia?
it's our benefit, sir.
Correct. It's your benefit. Okay, this is not high school. It's not primary school. It is university. Okay?
Yeah, but yes, sir.
Let's end the lecture now. I'm going to start the recording.
Okay, sir, you could end the lecture.
Right. Oh, I got one question. I got students' questions, 2 more questions.